new brand alert because I love K-beauty and I feel like I find some of the cutest, coolest, more affordable things on Amazon. It is literally like the kind of glimmer shimmer that you would find in a Tom Ford quad. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a roundup of some awesome things I discovered on Amazon that I don't think everyone is talking about that are under the $20 mark. These are things that quickly have made their way into my everyday beauty routine, etc. Because I also have really cool yoga pants to show you guys that were like $6. I kid you not. So we're going down every avenue, but also we're in the time of year that if you need an extra something, stocking stuffer, gift, something like that, it's good to have these little add-ons because Amazon is really good with shipment in the craziest way. It kind of blows my mind and creeps me out simultaneously that I will often order in the evening and the next day, like poof, there it is. This year specifically, I've become an insane online shopper and I don't see it slowing down because I do find really good things. We're gonna start with what I'm waving around in my hand right here that is matching my PACT organic cotton velour sweatshirt. I will have this linked. This is not under $20, but I do wanna show you guys because I just got it today and I'm amazed. Amazed. Look how cute. It's stretchy. Luxury. I'm gonna go ahead and say that I was shocked by the shape and the size of this. I did not think it would be so itty bitty, and part of me was like, "Aw, that's kind of a bummer." But then another part of me was like, "Oh my gosh, this is so great. You can put this in the tiniest purse that you own and have a mist to refresh yourself on the go." It is so travel friendly. It's so cool looking too. Like I've never seen a setting mist look quite like this. Now, this isn't just something that would take down powder or refresh you during the day. You could use this in your skincare because it is technically skincare. It's not marketed as a makeup setting mist. It has a lot of ingredients that are going to add hydration. I believe this has tea tree oil in here, which is antibacterial. It just feels so nice on the go. Let's give a good mist right now. Refreshing AF. It feels like Caudalie. It feels like spa. This also has 5 types of cica, which is an ingredient that is going to calm and soothe the skin. $10. I love this. I think it's cute. This is the box it comes in. It feels very luxurious for what you are getting, and it's something kind of different. This next one right here, I'm super excited about. I am so on board with this. I literally have 2 of them. This is a miracle worker if you are puffy underneath your eyes in the morning. This is $5.97, and I actually purchased it not from a reseller or anything like that on Amazon, but from the Good Molecules store itself. This is a Yerba mate caffeinated under eye gel. Amazing, amazing. How they are selling this for less than $6. I don't really know. I don't really get it. Are they profiting anything from this? Probably not, because the ingredients, the performance, everything, the packaging even screams a little more luxury than $6. This is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Reduce signs of puffiness, plump the appearance of fine lines. Now, I have an extra step that I like to do if you're like me and you find that there are some mornings where you wake up, you look in the mirror and you're like, oh my God, no. I wake up and fluid just wants to like bump, like it just wants to wreck my day. And a caffeinated under eye gel popped in the fridge intentionally. Just keep it in there. You pat it on your under eyes. And then we're going to go one step further. And this is a great, affordable under eye patch. Holy freaking smokes. I got a 2-pack. This I found in the most wished for section and it had great reviews. This is the Smooth Eye Mask. I have the Rich in Avocado and contains golden. This is not an expensive, ritzy, like great ingredients all the way around under eye patch. However, it does have hydrating ingredients in here. Now, if you combo this with a caffeinated gel underneath the eye, this has that jelly texture that just like sticks and you can move about your morning. You can let it stay there. You can do your eye makeup with these on, just let them kind of cook there. They're not going to slide around. That's what I like about these so much. We're talking $10 for 2 packs, $6 for this guy right here. Pat on your gel, put on your eye patch, give it 15 minutes, and that unsightly gathering of water underneath the eye will be gone. You will be prepped for success for your concealer. Your makeup's gonna look better, and I think this is the combo. It's so good. I have a new body lotion that I am obsessed with. It comes in a pump. This has an insane amount of reviews that are all glowing for the most part on Amazon. I like the packaging. I did a little bit of a deep dive on the ingredients. There's only a couple of questionable preservatives that are really like way at the bottom of the ingredient listing, but for the most part, it's a very clean, well thought through formula. It doesn't have parabens, dermatologist tested, if that means anything to you. You have things that are antioxidant. You have things that are very nourishing to the skin. You have things that are going to turn over those cells, which you want on your body, not just on your face. A lot of us are into anti-aging and using a retinol at night on the face. I think it's a wise idea to take some of that action down on the rest of the body. And this is getting it done for 20 bucks, 15 ounces. I love. I also picked up the Coconut Oil Manuka Honey Replenish and Revive Body Cream from Medix 5.5. There is no fragrance in here. It's not listed. I kind of went over it a few different times and I was like, how is this smelling the way it is smelling? It has honey extract and coconut and apple extract. Shoot, it smells so freaking good. I want to explore more of this. I'm new to this brand. They have body washes, they have serums, they have things for the face. I just started out with these two right here. I'm already totally in love with the nighttime retinol. This is really great for daytime. Again, that gentle scent. You have a lot of the similar ingredients that are in the nighttime, but without the retinol, which I don't want to use during the day because it can make you more sensitive to the sun. But this is so great. Comes in a pump. I think it looks like kind of like salon-esque type body products, but really beautifully priced. And online, if you do purchase from their shop and you're purchasing them in duos, you save even more money. So I'll throw that out there as well. Let's talk about more getting rid of dead skin at night and cellular turnover, but for your feet. I put this on at night with socks, and literally you wake up in the morning and it is ridiculous what it does overnight as far as like eating away at the dead skin on your feet. Your feet feel renewed and softened in a way that I can't even explain. This is the Foot Rescue Advanced Restorative Treatment. Exfoliates, softens, and smooths dry, rough, and cracked feet. This has urea, salicylic acid, malic acid, and petroleum. And no, don't be afraid of petroleum on the feet. You need that emollient to kind of barricade and be a barrier for everything to sink in and do what it needs to do. This is such a winner. Results. Like there's no fluff about this. This is a results-driven product and I am obsessed for life. Another obsession for life, you guys, this brush. This is the UNbrush. Let me just give my curls a little comb through while we're here. I did pin curls today and I don't know how I like it. They're a little curly. So this brush, you need this. Like I can't explain to you more than you need this if you do not have one of these, and I would not get the knockoff. This is like $19. I will have the correct link for you in the description box because you can go on Amazon and see so many imitators of this particular UNbrush. You want this one. It is silicone. It cannot be destroyed by heat. It will comb through even the most rough, unruly, tangled up hair. My hair gets so tangled when I shampoo. I put in a little detangler and then I glide this through. And I really, really love that I'm never seeing a lot of hair be pulled out in the actual brush. Now, what I also love about this one, I like that it's a vent brush so I can blow dry and the air is going through the brush and it's not melting or getting damaged. I already have one that I've had for years and I decided to just refresh and get a brand new one. It was time. But these hold up so incredibly well. So if you have never experienced, out of all of the crazy detangling brushes that are out there, the UNbrush, this one is the best. Okay, new brand alert because I love K-beauty and I feel like I find some of the cutest, coolest, more affordable things on Amazon. This is the brand Laka and I like the packaging. I love the performance of the product. I love the blendability, the color selection, just everything A to Z. It's like luxury makeup, but with a drugstore price. Like you hold the packaging and it actually feels quite expensive. Just even like the sloping of the plastic component here, how it pops open, just the shape is unique. It's so different. It looks very custom. So I'm really interested in this brand, Laka. This is like $12. It is giving Dior. It is like a straight up Dior baby doll pink dupe. And the blend on it is incredible. It literally does not patch. It wears all day long. It's very much a buildable type of concentration. So you're not going to go in and be like, bam. Now, some people like that. I am not one of those people. I want to be able to control the buildability of my blushes. So they have many different shades, and I highly, highly recommend checking out this brand if you're interested in a really fun blush that's going to perform, that's not going to overpower. And also, they have eyeshadow, and I am equally impressed. How gorgeous is this? This is giving Urban Decay for $6.40. This is what we were all hoping the e.l.f. singles, the toppers, would be. This one right here is like an Urban Decay Moon Dust. It is perfect. I'm going to put some on right now for you guys. It is literally like the kind of glimmer shimmer that you would find in a Tom Ford quad. So I'm just going to go with my fingertip and tap, tap, tap right in the center, and you're gonna be amazed. Look at that. Are you kidding me? And it looks luxury. It like actually looks and feels like the luxury of Urban Decay. The embossing, the elegance of it, just, I'm gonna be a collector. I totally am. I can feel it because they literally have 3 different slides of shades. They have matte shades, they have glittery shades. Of course, leave it to me to be like, give me the glitter. I am gonna order more though because I like literally cannot. That was 2 seconds and I just went from daytime to nighttime. Don't we love that? Don't we love the shine? We're going to move into a little try-on moment because I found $6 leggings that have pockets, and that's always exciting, right? I have been on my mission to eliminate more plastics in my wardrobe, specifically with my workout gear. Now, something that I did see when I was researching this particular product, it is OEKO-TEX certified, which means they aren't pumping forever chemicals in the processing of these fabrics. Is it still polyester? Yes. And sometimes we need a $6 legging. Sometimes we just need to go there. And I thought I would share. I thought I would be the investigator and be like, is this really good? Or is it like not sewn well? Like, what's the deal with it? This is nice. Is it as nice as Lululemon? No, it's not, but it has great stretch to it, a pretty decent thickness of the fabric itself. I can see why so many people love this. Like, it has over 7,000 reviews and they are almost all 5 stars. Like, literally ridiculous, ridiculous. They have so many different colors. I am gonna order the black too, but I wanted to see what the color material looked like if it would be flattering, and this is pretty flattering. I got a size small medium. They have a capri version, they have a full length version. I always go for full length. That's just more my lane. But if you were ever wondering, like, is that too good to be true? It's really good. It's not garbage, because sometimes we order the too good to be true and we get it and we're like, what in the breath of fabric is this? Like, it's gonna fall apart in one wash. Like, this won't. Will it last you as long as Lululemon or my new lover, Mate the Label? No, but we have a budget option and I love that. All right, you guys, those are my current favorites on Amazon under $20. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to thumbs it up, leave me those comments. And other than that, you guys go and have a great day, whatever you are doing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.